Birthdays. I think people who celebrate the concept of birthdays are the same people who haven't fully grasped the concept of death. You're not turning 25 years old, you have 45 years left. It's a countdown. The thing I hate most about birthday parties is the hierarchy of feeding cake. I mean, there's just too many feelings that could get hurt. Who do you feed it to first? Your dad who paid for the cake or your mom who destroyed her body to have you? Oh yeah, it's gotta be your mom. Sorry, Dad. Pro tip, if you're the last person to get the piece of cake, then you're not coming to the birthday party next year. What I hate most about organizing surprise birthday parties is that when you do it for one person in the group, everybody else expects this. There are 10 people in this group. By the time you get to number 5, you can't exactly shout, surprise! What you can shout is, hey, we're fulfilling a formality! We don't even like you that much! We're just throwing this party because you're dating Urjita! Happy birthday! I don't really like organizing surprise birthday parties because they just involve a lot of lying and scheming. And I like to save that kind of energy for my romantic relationships. There are 2 types of people. Party starters and party stoppers. Being a party starter is easy. You show up with a bottle of alcohol and suddenly everybody is having fun. But being a party stopper takes guts, nay, courage to be the one who tells everybody, guys, I think it's time we all stopped having fun. That's tough. Because everybody on the outside is like, boo, boo. But on the inside, they're like, yes, yes, thank you, Ramesh, thank you. I was on my 5th glass of rum and coke and I was about to cheat on my wife. Can you please drive me home? Thank you so much for stopping this party.
Rickshaw wala.
I went up to a rickshaw wala the other day and I said, well, not the other day, it's been a while. But I went up to a rickshaw wala and I said, sir, Bandra jaoge? And he said, हाँ जाऊंगा ना मैडम, लेकिन 200 होगा. तो I said, 200 क्यों? हमेशा तो 100 आता है. He said, नहीं मैडम, वो 12 बज गया ना रात के, इसलिए 200. तो I said, 100 एक्स्ट्रा क्यों? टाइम बताने के लिए. He's like, नहीं मैडम, रात का टाइम है, सब एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज करते हैं, तो मैं भी एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज कर रहा हूँ. I was like, ठीक है, रात का टाइम है, मौसम अच्छा है, ट्रैफिक नहीं है, मेरे बैग में पकौड़े हैं, हम ड्राइव पे जाते हैं, तुम मुझे पैसे दो. He was like, ये तो नहीं हो सकता मैडम, और इस बदतमीजी के और 50 एक्स्ट्रा. I was like, मेरी गलती नहीं है यार कि टाइम 3rd डिमेंशन है, ये मेरे पैदा होने से पहले हो गया था. He's like, मैडम टाइम 3rd डिमेंशन नहीं है मैडम, टाइम 4th डिमेंशन है, आपको इतना भी नहीं पता. तो फिर मैंने उसे 500 दे दिया क्योंकि उसने मुझे साइंस सिखाया. Serial killers. Whenever I see a female serial killer, I'm like, you go girl, represent. That's not what feminism is about, but to each their own, you know. Finally, a bad female role model. Serial killers can't exactly brag on social media. You know, they can't really upload a picture of a dead body and say hashtag BOTD, body of the day. Whenever I meet someone who lives in a one-room kitchen, I'm sure they're not a serial killer. Sofa रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है, आप body कहाँ रखोगे? Studies show that serial killers are loners. So apparently, if you're a loner, your only options are either killing people or watching The Office on Amazon Prime Video. Serial killers wear masks. They don't care about your life, but they care about your hygiene. For serial killers, their body of work are actual bodies. Being a serial killer back in the day was much easier. You only had to worry about the killing and the escaping. But now you have to worry about your documentary, your true crime podcast, your book deal, and of course your life sentence.
Unhelpful advice.
Your limitation is only your imagination. And also how much permission your parents give you. Because you can imagine that night out all you want, but then you also better imagine one tight chaped on your cheek. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Like order 2 pizzas instead of 1 and delete all your social media accounts. Creativity is intelligence having fun. And eating pizza is everyone having fun. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. But also stop at a red light because breaking traffic rules is a huge no. Dream it, build it, believe it. I can't wait to make a boyfriend made out of chocolate. What a snack. Dance like there's nobody watching. But please keep your clothes on. Thomas Edison once said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work. Edison, I can't give my exam 10,000 times, no? Time and tide stop for none. Just like a rickshawala when you ask him to go to Navi Mumbai. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Yeah, tell that to my car. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Like you create paper mache, or babies, or a mistake. I already said babies, so that's a mistake. Ghosts. The living don't really care about the feelings of ghosts. That's why we scream every time we see one. You know, the ghost is like, hi, and you're like, ah! The ghost is like, hey man, I was just cleaning your room. That's why I moved the chair, you know. I wouldn't have to haunt this house if you kept it clean. I feel really bad for ghosts because they can't see their reflection in the mirror. If they knew what they were looking like, they wouldn't have gotten out of their grave. I prefer being haunted by a ghost over getting my period. क्योंकि भूत एटलीस्ट हर अमावस की रात को आता है और मेरा पीरियड कभी भी कहीं भी. People always say कि भूत के पैर उल्टे होते हैं. But how can we be so sure? It could be पैर सीधे and body ulti. It's weird how your fears change when you grow up. I mean, I used to be scared of ghosts, but now I'm just scared of the government. I used to think I was living in a haunted house, but turns out I just had really thin walls and really loud neighbors, which explains why the ghost kept yelling, I'm leaving you and the kids, I'm tired of eating bhindi every day. I think it's really empowering to be a ghost because men will only respect your personal space if you're a woman wearing a white sari on a lonely highway. Why are ghosts so biased when it comes to possessing dolls? Why don't they possess mundane things like charging wires or pressure cookers or TV remote control? Wouldn't it be funny if you're in your haunted house and you're like, where's the TV remote? And your mom's like, it's standing right behind you. Also, can you tell it to turn down the volume? It's very loud. Animal facts. Nearly 3% of the ice in the Antarctic glaciers is penguin urine. So instead of us stopping to use plastic straws, maybe we can just ask the penguins to pee more. Mantis shrimps have the world's fastest punch. But if you're in a fight with a mantis shrimp, you should be more worried about your anger problems. Bats always turn left when leaving a cave, and then they turn right back after giving us all coronavirus. Did you guys know that prairie dogs kiss? Yeah, they kiss. And also they do a lot of other things according to videos I look for online every day. Lions are the most social compared to other cat species. So if a lion is about to eat you, it's probably because you didn't invite it to your birthday party. Sperm whales in the Caribbean have an accent. I didn't know the Caribbean was in South Bombay. Therapy. I started going to therapy last year. After my 15th public meltdown, I was like, I need a more permanent solution to my problems. In physical therapy, they teach you how to stand up. In mental therapy, they teach you how to stand up for yourself. Are therapists also treated like doctors at parties where someone just goes up to them and says, hey, can you quickly analyze my childhood and tell me why I'm not enjoying this party? My therapist keeps asking me, so how does that make you feel? And I'm like, bad. It all makes me feel bad. If I was feeling good, I wouldn't be sitting here crying in a stranger's office. I would be crying while cutting onions like a regular person. My therapist told me that I've really grown. Not as a person, she's just been seeing me since I was 9 years old. However, she did tell me that I've come really far. Not in life, just that I come from Panvel to Bandra to see her, so that's like a commute. My therapist told me to use the I language, which means you tell people how you're feeling instead of accusing them, you know. So instead of saying, you hurt my feelings, you say, my feelings are hurt, you know. So instead of saying, तू कुत्ती है, you say, मुझे लगता है कि तू कुत्ती है, और बाकी सबको भी लगता है. No offense. That's how I feel. People don't usually go to therapy because there are no physical symptoms of mental illness, you know, like a runny nose or cough or a missing arm. People just usually wait for their 15th public meltdown till they go to therapy. Yeah. People do that. People do that. Alright guys, that's my time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.